Welcome to our Science and Technology lesson. I'm Teacher Faith. So our strand is still living things and we are looking at animals. And under that we are still looking at characteristics of animals. And today I want us to look at safety precautions to observe when handling animals. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to name the safety precautions to observe when handling animals. So before we start, kindly get your pen and paper. Now children, in our previous lesson, we looked at characteristics of animals as living things. And we said, 1, animals grow, they feed, they reproduce, they remove wastes, animals respond to changes in environment, animals move, and animals also die. So we talk about safety precautions to observe when handling animals. Number 1, keep distance when observing animals. Why? Some animals may be harsh or some animals may not be friendly. So when you're observing such animals, you're supposed to keep distance. Then number 2, do not disturb animals. Then number 3, use protective clothing when handling animals. And we looked at examples of protective clothing. We looked at things like gloves, overcoats, and so on. Then number 4, handle small animals that can sting or have stinging hairs using forceps. And I showed you what forceps are, and I told you what forceps are in our previous lesson. Then wash hands and change clothes after interacting with animals. So children, these are the safety precautions you're supposed to observe when handling animals. Then the exercise or the assignment I'm giving you today, I want you to state 3 precautions to observe when handling animals. Now that we've looked at several of them, but I want you to state only 3. So up to that point, we come to the end of our lesson. Thank you for your attention and goodbye for now.
Subscribe for more videos. Like this video if you learned something. Please don't forget to share.